Hello friends and student, welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. We are discussing the algebra of a complex number. This is the part 3 in this series. Before that, I uploaded two videos on algebra of a complex number, part 1 and part 2, the link of which are given in the description. So we begin with part 3. In this video, we are going to solve some typical examples on complex numbers, which are important for studying complex number. Example, find the value of x and y which satisfy the following equations where xy belongs to R, that is set of real number. Example number 1, x plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y into I plus 4i is equal to 5. Solution. Now we take 4i to the right hand side. Therefore, x plus 2y plus 2x minus 3y into I is equal to 5 minus 4i. Taking 4i to the right hand side, it is become minus. Therefore, now left hand side is a complex number, right side is also a complex number. Therefore, equating real and imaginary part separately. Equating real and imaginary parts separately. We get real part to the left of this equation is x plus 2y. Real part in the right side is 5, so it is 5. Imaginary part is the coefficient of I to the left hand side, that is 2x minus 3y. Imaginary part to the right side of the equation, that is coefficient of I minus 4. Now in order to find the values of x and y, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. We multiply the equation number 1 by 2 and subtracting from the equation number 2. Therefore, taking 2 into equation number 1, subtracting equation number 2, we get multiplying to the equation 1, we get 2x plus 4y is equal to 10. Subtracting the equation number 2, 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 4. After subtraction, the sign of the terms changes. So it is minus, it is become minus, this is become plus, this is become plus. 2x minus 2x, it is 0. 4y plus 3y, that is 7y, is equal to 10 plus 4, it is 14. Therefore, 7y is equal to 14. Dividing by 7, we get y is equal to 2. So this is the value of y. Putting the value of y, in equation any one, we can use equation 1. So x plus 2, y, value of y is 2, it is 5. Therefore, x plus 2 into 2 become 4 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5 minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 1. This is the value of the x. The second example, x plus 1 upon 1 plus I plus y minus 1 upon 1 minus I is equal to I. Solution. The denominator of the first term is 1 plus I and the denominator of the second term is 1 minus I. The LCM is the product of these two brackets 1 plus I into 1 minus I. So we multiply the first term with 1 minus I to the both numerator and denominator. Similarly, multiplying 1 plus I to denominator and numerator to the second term and taking sum of the numerator, that is x plus 1 into 1 minus I plus y minus 1 into 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I is equal to I. Now we multiply this bracket inside this bracket or every terms of this bracket. Similarly, we multiply this bracket each term of this bracket, that is x into 1 minus I plus 1 into 1 minus I plus y into 1 plus I minus 1 into 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I into 1 minus I. We know that a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. Similarly, here 1 square is 1 minus I square is equal to I. Now, I square, it is equal to minus 1, that is we multiply x inside the bracket, x into 1 x, x into I plus 1, 1 into 1 1 minus I, 1 into minus I minus I plus y into 1 is y plus y into I minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus I divided by 1 minus minus 1, putting the value of I square is equal to I. That is now here 1 is minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled. Therefore, we collect in the terms of real part, x is real, y is real. So, x plus y. All other terms are imaginary. So, plus minus x, x into I is common, plus y, minus I become 2 times I. So, 2I. So, we take I is common divided by 1 minus minus become plus is equal to I. That is x plus y plus y minus x minus 2 into I upon 1 plus 1 is 2 is equal to I. Again, multiplying 2 throughout, we get x plus y plus y minus x minus 2 into I is equal to 2I. That is, LHS is a complex number, RHS is also complex number, but there is no real part, so real part is 0, that is x plus y plus y minus x minus 2 into I is equal to 0 plus 2i. Now, by equality of two complex number, real with real, imaginary with imaginary, therefore, equating real and imaginary part separately, we get x plus y is equal to 0 and y minus x minus 2 is equal to 2. Simplifying the second equation, y minus x minus 2 taking to the right hand side, it is become 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2 in order to get the values of x and y, if we add x minus x get cancels, therefore, adding equations 1 and 2, we get x minus x get cancelled, y plus y 2y, 0 plus 4 it is 0, it is 4. Therefore, dividing by 2 we get y is equal to 2. This is the value of y. Now, putting the value of y, in equation 1, we get equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, taking 2 to the left hand side, x is equal to minus 2. So, this is the value of the x. In this way, we have calculated the values of x and y. Example number 3, x plus iy upon 2 plus 3i plus 2 plus I upon 2 minus 3i is equal to 9 upon 13 into bracket 1 plus I. Solution. Now, the denominator of first term 2 plus 3i and the denominator of the second term 2 minus 3i, the LCM is the product of these two bracket. Therefore, we multiply first term 2 minus 3i both numerator and denominator, and we multiply the second term with 2 plus 3i both numerator and denominator, and taking their sum in the numerator, x plus iy into bracket 2 minus 3i plus 2 plus I into bracket 2 plus 3i divided by 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i is equal to 9 upon 13 into bracket 1 plus I. That is, now multiply this bracket to the each term of this bracket and multiplying this bracket with each term of this bracket, and product of this 2 plus 3i into 2 minus 3i, it is a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b. Using that, x into 2 minus 3i plus I into y into 2 minus 3i plus 2 into 2 plus 3i plus I into 2 plus 3i divided by 2 square is 4 minus 3 square is 9 and I square is equal to 9 upon 13 into 1 plus I. That is, multiply x inside the bracket, iy inside the bracket, 2 inside the bracket and plus I inside the bracket. So, it is become 2x minus 3x into I plus 2y into I minus 3y I square plus 2 into 2 4 plus 2 into 3 6I plus 2 into I plus 3I into I square divided by 4 minus 9 I square is equal to 9 upon 13 into 1 plus I. That is now we collect the like terms, that is real terms, 2x plus 4 and the like term, that is the coefficient of I, plus minus 3x plus 2y, 6i plus 2i become 8i, so I is taken common, plus 3i square and minus 3y square divided by 4 minus 9i square is equal to 9 upon 13 into 1 plus I. Now, putting I square is equal to minus 1, I square is equal to minus 1, that is 2x plus 4 plus minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 into I plus 3 into minus 1 minus 3 into y into minus 1 divided by 4 minus 9 minus 1 is equal to 9 upon 13 into 1 plus I. That is 3 into minus 1 minus 3 and 3y into minus 1 is plus 3y. So, 2x plus 3y, 4 minus 3, that is 1 plus 1 plus minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 into I divided by 4 minus minus plus 9 is equal to 9 upon 13 into bracket 1 plus I. That is 4 plus 9 become 13, 13 into 13 get cancelled. So, this 13 into 13 get cancelled, that is 2x plus 3y plus 1 plus minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 into I is equal to 9, we multiply 9 inside the bracket, 9I. Now, this is a left hand side is complex number, right hand side is also a complex number. By equality of two complex number, real with real, imaginary with imaginary, equating real and imaginary part separately, we get 2x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 9 and minus 3x plus 2y plus 8 is also equal to 9. Again simplifying, taking 1 to the left hand side, it is minus 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, 2x plus 3y is equal to 8. Taking 8 to the right hand side, it is become minus 8, 9 minus 8 is 1. So, minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Now, we multiply the equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 2, so that the coefficient of x become the same but opposite in sign. So, adding, so taking 3 into equation number 1 plus 2 into equation number 2 and adding, we get it is 6x, 3 into 3 9y, 24 minus 6x plus 4y is equal to 2. So, adding we get 6x minus 6x cancel. So, we get 0 plus 9y upon 4, it is 13y, 24 plus 2 become 26. Therefore, 13y is equal to 26. Dividing by y, dividing by 13, we get y is equal to 2. So, this is the value of y. Putting the value of y in equation 1, we get two x plus 3 into 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to, taking 6 to the right hand side, it is become minus 8 minus 6, it is 2. Dividing by 2, x is equal to 1. So, this is the value of x and the value of y is 2. So, the answers.